Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to interface Wi-Fi shield with Arduino Uno, and Wi-Fi shield which we are discussing is XB Pro. And actually, the complete component is not available with me. That's the reason I am going to explain it visually. So now let me show you the code. Yes, initially you need to place the XB Pro shield on top of your Arduino Uno. Now let me show you one diagram. Yes, before code, if you observe here, you can see Zigbee module, right? Actually, this is the original module required. Currently, I am not having that module. Yes, like this it should be. Its actual cost is 4,000. Without this, if you are buying the XB shield, it costs you just 400, but there is no use of it. If you place on top of Arduino, it will work like Arduino itself, but there is no use of any functioning and all. So you must and should buy this if you are interested to work with hardware component. But don't worry, the complete IoT with Arduino will discuss with the wide connection, nothing but the Ethernet shield. Whereas for Node MCU, nothing but our ESP8266, anyhow it is a wireless shield it is having. So they, we will discuss completely wireless, so you need not worry regarding it. Instead of XB Pro, you can use some different shields for Arduino also. There are also nowadays ESP8266 for Arduino also has been introduced. Now, let me explain you coding part here. Yes, actually we need these both header files, right? SPI.h will be already installed and Wi-Fi.h it will be also installed. If not, you need to install from GitHub. For this, you please do not prefer the textbook GitHub link. Actually, it is not working. This is the correct GitHub link. If you observe from here, you can click on download zip. Once the zip file is downloaded, here in Arduino IDE, click on sketch, click on include library, add zip library where it is present in downloads, click on it and click on open. Since I have already opened, I am not performing again. Yes. Coming to this part, here you can see SSID and password I have given, right? Those are nothing but your Wi-Fi name and password. I know that many of you can't remember your Wi-Fi passwords, and few members may not know their SSIDs too. For that, you need to go to settings, and once you open the settings, here you can see, yes, network and internet will be available. Click on that, and here go to the properties, and here bottom you can see SSID. You copy that one, or even you can remember it. Here you can see Wi-Fi network password. If you click on show, your password will be visible. Remember, since it is a wireless thing, it is very much dangerous and all. So you better need avoid showing your passwords in such like how I am teaching now, like in screen recording modes. So here I have kept some random password, but you need to keep the actual password and actual SSID. And this complete coding part already I have explained in during the theoretical session why the size is 6 due to hexadecimal and all I have already explained. And in description of video I am going to include the notes again because yes, this is the complete code. Let me show you how the syntax and all. Simply you can copy paste if you want to do faster. And for understanding this, in description I provided the theory video also. And one more thing is you must and should install this GitHub library. So this GitHub link also I am going to provide in video description. And in next lecture now we are going to start the IoT with ESP8266, nothing but Node MCU. Hope you all understood. Thank you.